It's great to be here with you. Today, we explore a concrete block factory together. The model of the block machine is QD6-15. In the video, we will see the equipments in the block plant, the operation of the block production line, the finished product area. In this concrete block plant, the used equipments and new equipments work together to compose the full production line. The batching system, double horizontal shaft concrete mixer, conveyor belts all are used equipments. The cement silo, block machine, stacker, and automatic pallet feeding machine are new machines. Besides the block production line, there are 3 tons forklift transporting blocks to curing area and a 1.6 tons wheel loader feeding material for the batching system. Then we explore the operation of the concrete block production line together. There are 2 separate hoppers storing the sand and aggregate. The sand and aggregate are conveyed to the weighing scale. The loading will stop automatically once it reaching the set weight. Then the sand and aggregate will be transported to the double horizontal shaft concrete mixer. In this block plant, the aggregate are produced by the jaw crusher. They use a sieve to filter 2 large aggregates. In the mixer, besides the sand and aggregate, the water and cement are added automatically on base of the set data. We can preset the mixing time. After mixing, the mixed raw materials are transported to the hopper of the block machine. All the raw material preparation stage are full automatic. It is controlled by the centralized control system. The production line is equipped with automatic pallet feeding machine. It is powered by a separate small-sized hydraulic station, and it can feed pallets for the concrete block machine automatically. That can reduce a labor requirement. If we arrange a worker do this job, he will be very tired after one shift. The size of the pallet is 960 by 700 millimeters. For the thickness of the pallets, it should be 25 millimeters. There are many different kinds of pallets, such as plywood pallet, bamboo pallet, PVC pallet, and GMT pallet. The strength of plywood pallet is poor. It is not a good choice. GMT pallet is more and more popular in recent years because of its good durability and cheap price. The raw material is fed to the raw material car automatically. There is sensor inserted into the raw material car. It will stop to feed material once the raw material reaching the predetermined quantity. There are 2 measures to ensure the uniform spreading of the raw material in the mold box. The first measure, the distributor rotary during feeding material to the mold box. The second measure, the vibration motor will work during feeding material to mold box. That can guarantee the uniform spreading of the raw material in the mold box. It will be helpful to get good strength blocks. The feeding material time and vibration time both can be adjusted by the PLC control box on base of the actual situation. During the block taking shape, the vibration platform and hydraulic pressure working together. The block machine is equipped with 2 7.5 kW vibration motors. There are eccentric shafts inside the vibration platform. The vibration motor drives the eccentric shaft to work. For the hydraulic pressure, it is not the larger the better. It should be set at an appropriate value. If the hydraulic pressure is too high, the vibration platform can't vibrate freely. It is not good for the taken shape of the concrete blocks. After the concrete blocks taken shape, the concrete blocks are pushed to the block conveyor. The stacker will transport the pallets to stacking area when there are 3 pallets concrete blocks. For the concrete hollow blocks, when there are 4 layers, they are transported to curing area by forklift. The molding cycle of QD6-15 is 12 to 20 seconds. It produced 6 pieces 8 inches hollow block per cycle. The production capacity is about 11,000 pieces in 8 hours. For other smaller size concrete blocks, the production capacity will be much larger than 11,000 pieces. Besides the concrete hollow block, this block machine also can produce solid block, curbstone, tactile paving, square brick, sidewalk brick, lawn brick, slope protection brick, and so on. The concrete block production line should work under 3-phase power. The power of host machine is 29.7 kW. The total production line is about 100.8 kW. Regarding the manpower requirement, 3 workers will be enough. 1 worker is in charge of feeding material for batching system, feeding pallets for pallet feeding machine, transporting concrete blocks to curing area. 1 worker monitor the operation status of equipment. Another worker is in charge of curing the finished concrete blocks. For the area of the block plant, it will need 1,200 to 2,500 square meters. If you have bigger area land, it will be better. Now, let us go to the curing area together. These are the hollow concrete blocks produced this morning. These are produced yesterday. Their sizes all are 400 by 200 by 200 millimeters. Half days later, the concrete blocks can be moved away from the pallet. For example, if the concrete blocks are produced in the yesterday afternoon, they can be moved away from the pallets this morning. If the concrete blocks are produced in the morning, they can be moved away from the pallets this afternoon. Then the pallets can be recycled. After stacking, we need to spray water for the concrete blocks tomorrow. These hollow blocks are produced with closed bottom. In the hollow cavity, it will be full of water. So, in the total curing period, one spray of water will be enough. After curing, the concrete blocks will be packed and waiting for sale. That's from me. Thanks for your attention. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications getting the newest video. For more information, please visit www.jingchenmachinery.com.